Welcome back to Finpod, your essential daily financial digest. Whether you are getting ready for the opening bell or winding down after a long day of trading, we are here to break down the moves that matter. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and AI-powered stock analysis. Let's get into it. CRDO technology is seeing significant action today, up over 12%. The move follows Jefferies initiating coverage on the stock with a buy rating and a bullish $175 price target, highlighting the company's strong positioning in AI-driven data center connectivity. Oracle is also making waves, rallying over 12%. Investors are reacting to new AI-powered upgrades for its utility industry suite and a general market reassessment of the company's long-term AI infrastructure potential. DELL Technologies is up about 7% today, fueled by market speculation that NVDA might be looking at a major acquisition in the PC space, which has traders betting on hardware leaders. Microsoft is also in the mix, up over 3%, as the company continues to see strong tailwinds from Azure growth and investor optimism around its AI-related backlog. Finally, NBIS Group is up over 6%, continuing its momentum as a high-growth AI infrastructure play following recent capacity expansion news. Taking a look at the broader market today, we saw a solid day for the major indexes. The S&P 500 rose about 1%, while the Nasdaq Composite gained over 1%. The strength was largely driven by a continued rotation back into high-growth technology and AI infrastructure names, as investors shook off some of the volatility from last week. We also saw some healthy dip buying in software companies that had been hit hard recently. In the AI economy, the theme of the day is definitely infrastructure and growth. We are seeing a widening gap between companies that are successfully converting AI hype into real financial results and those still struggling in the pilot phase. Companies like CRWV continue to draw analyst attention for their massive AI contracts, and there is a lot of ongoing discussion about the energy demands of these new AI data centers. It is clear that the market is beginning to favor companies that can show a direct path from AI spending to scalable revenue. Looking at other stocks in focus, CRWV is a standout, rallying over 8% today. The move comes after a Macquarie upgrade and a significantly higher price target, as the company continues to secure major AI infrastructure deals. Investors are clearly focused on execution as these large-scale contracts begin to ramp up. In earnings news, Goldman Sachs reported its first quarter results today. The firm posted earnings of around $18 per share, which beat analyst expectations. Despite the strong performance in global banking and markets, the stock was down about 2%, reflecting broader market volatility. Fastenal also reported today, with earnings of 30 cents per share, meeting expectations on revenue of $2.2 billion. However, the stock fell about 7% as investors reacted to gross margin pressures and concerns about the company's cost structure. Applied Digital saw a positive reaction, climbing over 5% after its recent report highlighted strong revenue growth, even as investors continue to weigh the company's capital-intensive path to profitability. That covers the key moves for today. We saw a strong recovery in tech, major analyst moves in the AI space, and a mix of reactions to the latest earnings reports. If you found this update helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Finpod. For detailed analysis and AI-powered stock insights, visit finwit.ai. Until next time.